guys, so today I've decided, since it's very cold here in our city, to make pork sinigang using my Instant Pot. So what I'll do, I'll just cut my pork loin back ribs into smaller parts and then I'll boil it dito sa aking Instant Pot. So ito na yung aking kinat na mga ribs sa aking Instant Pot. I am gonna add about 3 to 4 cups of water. I like using Instant Pot to boil my meat kasi napakabilis lang niya, guys. So let's start boiling our ribs. Just make sure, guys, this knob is in the seal position. And then we just press meat button. So guys, habang hinihintay natin lumagbot yung ating pork ribs, papakita ko sa inyo kung ano pa yung mga ingredients na nilalagay ko sa aking pork sinigang. So, meron akong tomatoes. I have garlic in here. I also add some jalapeno pepper. And then onion. And then, I don't have Japanese eggplant, yung mahahaba na payat. I just use this aubergine kasi ito lang ang meron dito sa grocery namin at this time. I am also gonna add some green onions for flavor as well. Tsaka para mawala yung lansa. And then, I am also gonna add some daikon radish. I also have some bokchoy here. And then, of course, for the oil, I have my avocado oil. My friend na nagpunta ng Philippines for a holiday got me some calamansi mix, ang sinigang calamansi mix. And then, of course, we need some patis. There you go, guys. So, samahan niyo ako, gawa tayo ng pork sinigang. So, guys, ito na yung itsura ng ating boiled ribs. So, right now, dito na rin natin lulutuin sa Instant Pot yung ating pork sinigang. Hindi ko na nilinis. Tinapon ko lang yung water na pinagkuluan. Tapos, maglalagay na tayo dito ng konting oil. I'm using avocado oil. Kung ano mang oil ang meron kayo, whether canola or vegetable, you could use that. So, ilalagay lang natin sa saute button ng Instant Pot. And then, let's just wait until our oil heats up. And then, we can add our onion. Okay, so I'm gonna start by sauteing our onion. Mga 4 to 5 minutes. And then, sasabay ko na rin yung ating ginger para mawala yung lansa ng ating pork. Actually, pwede rin naman kayong gumawa ng sinigang ng beef or sinigang na manok. So, we'll wait for a few minutes. Maluto yung ating onion at ang ating ginger. So, next one, guys, I added the tomatoes. Wait a few minutes. So, you can add your jalapeno. Optional yon. And then, add the fish sauce. I'm gonna put about 2 to 3 tablespoons of fish sauce. And then continue mixing. Kung gusto niyo naman maanghang, you can cut your jalapenos or you can slice them. Pero ako, I'd rather put it whole like this. Okay guys, so kitang-kita naman natin, malambot na and fully cooked na yung ating tomatoes, ginger, and onion. Dadagdag na natin yung ribs, yung pinakaluan nating ribs. And then we'll just mix. Malambot na siya, guys. Actually, pork tender na siya. I'm slowly gonna add in about 4 to 8 cups of water. So, kuha pa ako ng another 4 cups. So, mag-add tayo ng 2 cups muna. Guys, I can smell the jalapeno. Ang sarap. It's really good. Okay, so our sinigang is starting to boil. Lalagay ko yung half ng ating green onion. As well, I'm gonna put our daikon. Okay guys, so napansin nyo, once pa lang ako naglagay ng patis or yung fish sauce. So, pinakukulo ko pa lang siya ngayon. So, mamaya at the very end, dun ko lang ilalagay yung ating calamansi mix or yung ating tamarind mix, whatever you have. And then from there, dun ko titimplahan uli if I needed more fish sauce. Okay, so 5 minutes after I added my daikon, pwede ko nang i-add yung aking eggplant. This won't take long, guys, kasi malambot naman yung eggplant, diba? So, our next step after this, we'll wait about 3 minutes. Pwede na natin ilagay yung ating calamansi mix or if you have the tamarind mix. After about 3 to 5 minutes, I can add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of our calamansi mix. Mix lang natin siya. And then from there, titikman natin kung kailangan pa natin lagyan ng more sinigang mix or calamansi mix. Kung gusto nyo mas maasim or if you need to put more fish sauce. Tikman natin guys, okay? Ang asim, napaka-perfect na niya guys. Tama-tama na yung lasa nung 2 to 3 tablespoon ng ating calamansi mix and yung ating fish sauce na nilagay kanina. So, ang ating final step is, a while ago, nilagay natin yung half ng ating green onion. Ilalagay natin uli yung other half. And then, lalagay na natin yung ating bokchoy. Or if you have kangkong in the Philippines, mas masarap din yon. But this is what we have. We have bokchoy here in Canada. So, this is what we're gonna use. And then, haluin lang natin. So, there you go guys. Luto na ang aking mainit na sabaw. Perfect para sa malamig na weather namin dito. I hope you give this a try. And please let me know what you think. Thank you for watching. Bye!